Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily install YouTube application for laptop in Windows. So without any further ado, let's start the process. First is you need to open your Google Chrome. Okay? Once done, please search at the Windows search bar youtube.com and you will be redirected to this window. Make sure that you don't visit any website other than that. Okay? So once you're being redirected here at the YouTube website, here's the best part, the important part of this video. Now, in order to install this application, you just have to look at your Windows search bar. It has this two icons. That's the star and another one. Now, in order to install YouTube application, just have to click this. First, click only or tap, and then it asks you to install application. Just go for install in order for you to install the application. Now, without waiting any single thing, you have just successfully downloaded or installed your application. Now, here's the best part of it also. You can see the YouTube application in your desktop screen. In just a single click, you can open it. Okay? Now, let's say if you want to uninstall this application. How? Just have to locate the three dots icon here again and scroll down and go for uninstall YouTube. Here in this manner, you will be able to uninstall this by simply clicking this. And you have just to wait for it to be completely removed or uninstalled in your computer. Now it is being removed in your Windows. Okay, so that is the easy step on how to install YouTube application for laptop in Windows. Has this video helped you? If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.